Temperature control is for adjusting the temperature of the hot air system. Voltage regulation is used to adjust the voltage. Heating switch is the switch to control temperature and voltage. Hot air switch is for controlling the two hot air blower system. Conveyor speed is for adjust the speed of conveyor. Open this conveyor switch to make the conveyor work. If machine will have any errors, the alarm indicator will give the alarm. Wind regulating is for adjust the hot wind speed. Power switch for controlling the power of the shrink tunnel system. Enter the password 2022 to choose the English language.